everyone, it's Heidi with WTI. And isn't it nice to have everything you need for a project all in one place? This HIMI solid watercolor kit came with everything I needed to begin my watercoloring journey. I love that it has so many colors. They're so extensive and very pigmented. I like that it included a white so that I could mix the white with any of the other colors. The lid is nice and large so you can use it as a palette to get just the right shade and consistency before you touch your brush to the paper. I also enjoyed that it came with a swatch that you're able to paint in order to know exactly what your color is going to look like. It was also nice that they included a water holder, and it's so cute. And when you empty it, it folds down nice and flat. There's even a water brush and a regular brush, along with pencils, eraser, and pen. The watercolor paper that it comes with is also excellent and high quality. I'm having so much fun with this HIMI solid watercolor kit. It's gonna keep me busy practicing my new hobby, and that's my point of view.